Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your account on the Badoo dating app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Badoo dating application on your device. And once you open it up, log into your account if you haven't done so already by using your credentials. Now, once you are logged in, you will be taken into your homepage from which you can directly start matching with various different users. Now, from this page, if you haven't already verified your account, in order to verify it, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then just tap on Stand Out, Get Verified. You will then be taken into the verification page from which you will be asked to do a certain pose and then take a photograph. Just tap on the Take Photo button and then follow the instructions that is displayed. And once you submit your photo for your verification, it will be forwarded to the support team of the Badoo dating app. You will just need to wait until you receive your verification email confirming that your account has been verified, and once your account has been verified, you will be able to use the Badoo dating application to its fullest potential. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to verify your account on the Badoo dating app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.